Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change Gmail password. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you open up Gmail app. Right here, tap on profile. And you can see that manage your Google account. Tap on this. Scroll down. You can see that security and signing. Tap on this. Go down. You can see that password. Use your fingerprint. Now you can see that new password and confirm new password. Tap on new password. Now tap on change password. Tap on change password. Your Google password, Gmail password changed successfully. Tap on get start. Okay, thanks for my watching to video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.